Steve Jobs got a standing ovation as he emerged from medical leave to appear at the annual Apple Developers Conference in San Francisco.
It always... Thank you. It always helps, and I appreciate it very much.
Jobs appeared thin but animated.
Investors cheered this, of course, since Jobs is seen as the soul of Apple. However, the stock went down a bit today when it became clear that Jobs was letting deputies do most of the percent thing.
Jobs did show off Apple's new iCloud service, which stores user files online and makes it easier to share items with other devices.
We want people to see what these devices can really do and what the software can really do, so we're making it free.
Most developers at the conference said they're eager to try iCloud out.
People keep talking about the cloud, not knowing fully well what that means, but they don't really care. As long as it just works for them and keeps everything in synchronization between their devices.
But some worry about the security of what they store in the iCloud.
And how we control intellectual property from inadvertently ending up in iCloud. Better yet, how can we use the iPad with our own private cloud? So there's a lot of management questions that are unanswered and a lot of, wow, that's really cool. What is that going to do to me at work?
Apple also unveiled an operating system update for Mac computers called Lion, with expanded finger touch controls and new software updates for iPhones and iPads, including greater integration with Twitter. Haven Daily, Associated Press, San Francisco.
It downloads it to all your